I'm sure that you've come across some videos on YouTube like make $1,000 a day by copying and pasting stuff, or get paid to watch TikTok videos. They sound amazing. Why the am I working a 9-to-5 job? I should do this and I will become rich. I'm sorry that I have to say this to you, but you are a shit. I will exclude you from this if you're an absolute beginner and have no idea how to make money online. But come on, if it was this easy to make money online, we would all be rich now. Let me explain. First, let me get something clear. I'm not hating on the creators who make this type of content. I'm hating on you because you believe this crap. Now that's out of the way, there are two categories of YouTubers in the make money online category. The first category is the YouTubers who do the thing successfully and they are teaching you the thing. And the second category is the YouTubers who are teaching you the thing without doing it. Not so good. But wait, there is actually a third category. YouTubers who are teaching you the thing without doing the thing, but the thing is the dumbest thing ever. And these are the videos that you're watching, and I know that you watch them because they are so popular. Basically, this kind of YouTubers don't care about teaching you how to actually make money. The only thing they care about is views. The more views they get, the more money they make. That's why they find the dumbest ways to make money online and they are showing them to you. Because it's easier to go viral. They don't get rich from all these money-making ways. They get rich because you watch them. They don't actually bother to try their methods. They don't want to teach you the things that are actually working. They are just people with good talking skills, which makes their videos believable. They look like experts, but they are not. They just want attention. It's like a get-rich-quick scam, but you are not paying them to learn. You will never make money watching these videos, and if you manage to make $10, congratulations! You're still miles away from your goal. Let's move on. There are some YouTubers with more believable videos, like make $1,000 a day with ChatGPT, or this AI tool will make you $30k a month. This type of videos are just as bullshit as the other ones. Their methods kind of work, but they're lying to your face again. Believe me, you won't make $1,000 a day, you won't make $100 a day, maybe some dollars if you're lucky. So don't follow the advice of these types of videos as well. Now let me share something with you. 5 years ago, when I was 18 and a complete beginner, I used to watch these videos. I did try some methods, but I never made any money, not even $1. And I quit. I never tried again to make money online until a year ago. I started watching creators who were sharing working strategies about print on demand, and I made my first money online. It wasn't a lot of money, but it worked. I want you to do the same. Find legit ways to make money online, like selling digital products, print on demand, dropshipping, etc. And find YouTubers who achieve the thing that you want to achieve and are willing to share genuine tips with you. Look at their thumbnails and their titles. If the title and the thumbnail sound too good to be true, they probably aren't. 99% of the time, when you see these crappy, unrealistic titles and thumbnails, don't click on the video. It's usually the small creators that are good, like under 100k subscribers. These are the channels that I usually watch about money. A lot of big creators are overrated, but there are some exceptions like Alex Hormozy. To give you an example of me, I'm not rich, I'm not an expert, but I'm not an absolute beginner. I'm sharing things that I have achieved, which isn't a lot yet, but at least I'm honest about it, and I don't want to lie to you to make more money. It's better to trust someone who is honest about their earnings than some fake internet money gurus out there. So the point of this video is to convince you to not waste your time watching and trying the methods of these videos. Your time is so valuable. Don't waste it following the advice of the wrong people. There are good creators out there in every type of online business. Find them and trust me, they will help you become more successful than before.